Hello everyone, today we will discuss about chapter 5 multiples and factors, and the topics that we will discuss in this presentation is prime numbers and composite numbers, co-prime numbers, prime factors and factor trees. So this multiples, in the last class you have learned about what are the multiples and factors, how to find common factors, how to find common multiples. So these are some topics which is very important. Today we will discuss here. So what are prime numbers and composite numbers? Prime numbers are numbers which have exactly two factors, that is 1 and the number itself. Example 2, 3, 5, etc. Like if you find the factors of 2, 3, 5, you will get two factors only. Those are 1 and the number itself. So if you find it, you can see it also. So these numbers are known as prime number. But in case of 1, which has only one factor, that is 1, right? So that is why it is not a prime number, because to become a prime number it should have two factors at least, but in case of 1 it has only one factor, right? So it is not a prime number. So in case of composite number, it has more than two factors. Those numbers which have more than two factors, for example 4, 6, 8, etc. So if you find the factors of 4, 6, 8, you will get more than two factors. Suppose if you find the factors of 4, you will get 1, 2, 4. So you got three factors for 4. So like that, if you find for these numbers, composite numbers factors, you will get more than two factors. So there is another set of number, that is a co-prime number. So it is a set of numbers or integers which have only 1 as the common factor, that is their highest common factor will be 1. So this type of co-prime numbers, so if you find two numbers factors, in case of co-prime numbers, if you find in case of co-prime numbers, if you find, you will get at least two factors, at least two numbers you need to find. Suppose I am giving to find a factor of 3. So what are the factors of 3? 1 into 3 is these two only, so it is a prime number, right? So if you find a factor of 5, 1 and 5, so what is common in both? 1 and 2. So this pair 3 and 5 are co-prime numbers. So what number? Co-prime numbers. So this is a thing. So what is highest common factor? So what is the highest factor in both the numbers? If you find a common factor, so what is the common factor? It is only one common factor. And what is the highest one? It is 1 only. So these numbers which it's a set of numbers, so you can, so you need to find, if you find the co-prime numbers, at least two numbers or more than two numbers you need to find, then only you will get, not for one number. Okay, so these are co-prime, so that's why they have given mention a set of numbers. Okay, so this is the thing. So you will get in the next class, that is in class 5, you will get more depthly. So this is a chart where you can see 1 is not a prime number or nor it's a composite number. Okay, so this type of questions used to be asked in competitive exam. So 1 is a prime number or not? So this is a common question, so it is not. Okay, so as you have seen the green color, so those green colors are the prime numbers. Okay, these green color numbers are prime numbers. That means it has only two factors, that is 1 and the number itself. But in case as you have seen the yellow color, those numbers are composite numbers and it has more than two factors. So you can make the chart at home. So what are prime factors? So prime factors, a factor that is a prime numbers. That means if the factor which you have got for a number is a prime number, that means it's a prime factor. Okay, so what is a factor tree? A factor tree shows the different ways in which a number can split into factors. So it's factors. So what factors they are asking about? These factors, when you split, you need to split into prime factor. Okay, so that is why it is essential. So you need to find the factor tree. You need to split in such a way that you get the prime factors, which is nothing but prime numbers. So you need to see for 2, 3 and 5. Okay, 2, 3, 5 and 7. So these numbers, you just check it, you will get it in these numbers only. So if for they are asking for 2 factor trees for 16. So 16 you can find in 2 different ways, but the answer which you will get for the prime factors of 16, you will get the same for both. I will show you why. So 2 into 4 into 8 is 16, right? So 2 is a prime factor or a prime number, right? You have got 1. So now you have to split 8. 8 is a composite number, so you need to split in prime factor or the prime numbers. So 2 into 4 is 8, right? So 2 is prime factor. So for 4 you need to split so that you get, so 2 into 2 is 4, right? In the 2 tables you just see for 2, 3, 5, 7, these tables you just check it and you will get in one of them. So in case of this one, you have seen 4 into 4 is 16. So if you split, so both are composite numbers. 2 into 2 is 4, 2 into 2 is 4. So if you multiply all the prime numbers or the prime factors, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, so you get 16, right? So in case of here also you say 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that means 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 2 is 8, 8 into 2 is 16. You will get this number. So these are nothing but prime factors. So what is the prime factors? So you need to multiply and you will get the answer for 16. So similarly, these are just find for one factor tree of each number. They are not asking for 2 or more than 2, just 1 you can make it. So for 8 they are telling a number is 8. So 2 into 4 is 8. So if you 2 is a prime factor, so you need to split 4. 2 into 2. So what is the number you get? Just see all the prime factors. 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 into 2 into 2 is 8, right? So similarly for 20 you see 2 into 10. So 2 is a 2 into 10 is 20, right? 2 into 4 is 8. 2 into 2 is 4. So 2 into 10 is 20. So you have split that. So 2 into 10 is 20. So 10 is a composite number. Split into prime factors. 2 into 5 is a 10. So these all numbers you see 2 into 2, these are all prime factors. So if you multiply 20, if prime factors 2 into 2 into 5, you will get 20. So this is the answer. These are prime factors. 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 5 is 20. So these are the answer number 3. So I think you can do it. So with practice it will come. You just need to know the multiplication of 2, 3, 5. Just you need to show it in such a way that you get the prime factors or the prime numbers, and after that you multiply all the prime numbers and then you get the answer of it. So this much for today. In the next class I will go to the exercise number 7 and we will discuss new things, divisibility, which is one of the important chapter, one of the important topic which I will discuss in the next class. Thank you for watching.